Today I want to clear a popular myth regarding rum, that you drink rum only in winters. It's good to drink rum in winters because it reduces cold and cough. But are you aware that rum is made in Caribbeans where there are summers almost throughout the year? So these guys who make the rum, they drink and make the rum only in summers. So it's a big misconception that you drink rum only in winters. So today I'm going to give you a cocktail recipe that includes coconut rum and a dark rum, and stay tuned. So today we are making lemonade rum punch. For that we would require pineapple juice, lemonade, some coconut rum, and then one dark rum which I prefer as Booth's rum for today. Let's fill it up with ice. We'll top the glass with the ice on this. Then we'll add some lemonade. Then we'll add some pineapple juice. We'll add some coconut rum now. And then we will top the glass with the dark rum. The reason why we are using the dark rum at the last, so that it floats on top and it slowly blends into the rest of the drink, giving it an ombre effect. As I'm pouring right now, you can see a layer of dark rum on the top of the glass. Right? It's giving an ombre effect right now, and which looks really good. Now we will stir the drink. It's chilled now. You can serve it now. Cheers.